Good evening, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys another amazing product by a company that I think is just, I am reluctant to saying it because I don't know how popular the company is. I'd never heard about the company until recently, and the company is called Duke Cannon, and they make hair care, grooming products primarily for men. Now, again, a woman could use these products, but they're technically meant for men. They're masculine. They're geared towards, just being a rough, tough, manly man. And I think they've done a great job not only with their branding, but their products are really amazing. And I encourage you guys, if you are the kind of guy who likes to try to look your best, that goes and takes pride in the way they look, goes and sees your hairdresser, gets your hair cut on a regular basis, and takes pride into styling your hair, you owe it to yourself to try this brand. They sent me a whole slew of products, which I was surprised. They were extremely generous. I mainly reached out to them at first for their bar soaps, because I've been trying to do some videos lately about the different masculine bar soaps that you can get that really will make you smell more like, I guess, more just like a man, what you would expect from manly, masculine scents. And I just feel like a lot of bar soaps out there are really geared towards just being very unisex, very fresh, very shower fresh, and aquatic. And I like the darker kind of stuff. I like woods, I like ouds, I like leathers. I like those things that just you associate with a leather jacket and just a being manly, And I know that doesn't necessarily, and I'm not trying to overgeneralize that, but I'm just trying to give you guys an idea, a drift of what I like when it comes to scents. There's lots of different, everybody likes something different, and there's something out there for everybody. There's all different price points when it comes to smelling great. And I like these products or brands like this because they really take pride in the scent portion of the product, not just what the product will do, like the feature, the action, the benefit, whether it be a hair care product or like what do we use soap for? Mainly to be clean, but also you want to smell good too. And there's lots of products out there that will clean you that don't necessarily smell amazing, but there's products that will give you the best of both worlds. So when I reached out to them, I looked at all the different products that they had, and I said, man, I'd really like to check out some of their other products. So they sent me some hair care products. They sent me, which if you haven't checked out my video, I just uploaded for their hair care tonic, their sea salt spray hair tonic. No matter what hair product you get, no matter what brand you use, definitely, guys, add that to your arsenal. Because that one there, whatever you use, whatever brand that you prefer, that one as a pre-styler is a game changer. It's a no-brainer. You need to have it. Plain simple. So the one I want to share with you guys today, their other product, is the Duke Cannon News Anchor Fiber Pomade. So in a nutshell, what this is meant to do is to give you guys a strong hold, okay, without the crispiness you might expect from a gel. More of a strong hold, a touchable hold. Again, depends on how you style it. I'm wearing this in my hair right now, but I tend to style my hair with the sea salt spray and give myself more of a slicked, wet look than a softer, more touchable look. It's just how I like to wear my hair. Everybody's different. You can wear this on short hair, long hair, thick hair, fine hair. It doesn't really matter. All these products are pretty universal when it comes to your hair, because let's face it, ultimately at the end of the day, it's your hair, and you have to find what you like, what works best for you. Doesn't matter what everybody tells you. People can lead you in the right way. I can tell you guys this is the best thing for fine, thin hair, but this is also great for any kind of hair. If whatever hairstyle you're going for, it just depends on you. So you really have to try it to know, whether you're gonna like it or not. From my personal experience, from a guy who always has used gels and not really much of a pomade fan or a clay or a putty, I've changed my whole hairstyling game. I find that these products will actually give me the hold I'm looking for with less of a crispiness factor. Not that it bothers me, I don't mind that at all, but it's nice at the end of the day where I can kind of run my hand through my hair and break the hair apart, and I still have an amazing hold with a touchable finish. So if I want to wear my hair like that, I can. If I want to wear it like I'm wearing it now, more of a shinier, slick look, I can. So right off the website here, the idea behind this, again, this is your secret weapon in your hair care game. It's going to basically give you guys a natural matte finish. For me, when you wear your hair in a slicked fashion like this, where it's a wet look, you're not really going to notice the difference between a matte, a high shine, unless that high shine has more of an oily content to it. With products like this, between a mild a matte finish or a high gloss shine or a mild shine finish, you're not really going to notice much of a difference when you wear your hair like this. If you are wearing your hair dry, you will. So works well on shorter hair, but also obviously my hair is longer on top. Works fantastic in long hair as well. It's got beeswax for a natural matte finish. Lanolin for texture and super hold. It's a medium to strong hold. So if you have hair like me or deal with hair like I got, where you have to have product to make it do anything, this is going to work great for you. And because it's got the fiber, it's definitely going to help to give your hair more of a thicker quality to it. Now, again, guys, I don't want to mention every single video because I've talked about it before. My hair is thin and it's fine. And so, or thinner than it was when I was younger, in my teens. But luckily, in the last 10 years, it's kind of remained. I haven't lost any, and it's not naturally I haven't grown any. It's just what I have is what I have, and then hopefully this lasts for the rest of my life. But as we get older, most of us are going to lose our hair. It's just part of life, and what matters is what's in here and how you feel about yourself. And that's not BS. I mean, I love the way that I look. Not to come across as cocky or arrogant. I love the way I look. I'm very happy with the style I chose. I'm very happy with who I am, and that's ultimately what matters. Doesn't matter what the haters say. Doesn't matter what other people think. It's all that matters is what. Because at the end of the day, you're the one that has to deal with it. You're the one that has to walk around with your head up or head down. And I prefer to walk with my head up. And again, try to be the best you can be. It doesn't matter whether you're tall, fat, skinny, short. It's all about self-confidence and really, truly just, feeling good about yourself. And all these products, all these things that we do, cologne, clothing, watches, jewelry, car, all these things give yourself being a good person. All these different things add to having self-confidence and feeling good about yourself and being happy. And I love getting a new hair care product. It not only smells good, but helps to give my hair a little more of a little more texture, a little more volume, a little more fullness than without the product. So it's a great product, guys, and I encourage you, if you've been going to like the different, your Walmarts or any of your big box stores buying that off-the-shelf stuff, stop. Go and check out a company like this. You will thank me, and you will drop a comment and say, man, I tried that product, absolutely loved it. So definitely check it out. It's got a very clean and consistent woody fragrance. That's probably why I like it so much. Fresh notes of cedar and fir, which transition into an earthy sandalwood base. So like I said before, if you watch my cologne reviews, I love fragrances that have wood, that are leathery. Again, this doesn't have leather in it, but oud based, ones that are just very mysterious, dark, earthy. I'm wearing Ombre Noir right now by Lalique. It's a very masculine, dark, earthy scent, and this stuff is great. Sandalwood. I love wood-based fragrances. They just really have that masculine, sophisticated, mature smell to them, and so this is absolutely fantastic. And I love Duke Cannon because I'm surprised, and I don't think they do. I'm really surprised that they don't have. Oh, they do actually. They have a proper cologne. So now they have colognes on here. I'm not sure how long they've had these on here, but looks like they have 4 different colognes. So I'm gonna have to reach out to them again after these reviews to try to get my hands on some of these because they really smell. The products smell fantastic. So as far as the texture on this product goes, every product has a different texture. Gels have kind of a goopy, syrupy, thick syrupy kind of texture. Pomades tend to be a little bit thicker, but more creamier. Then you have clays, which are like clay, really. This is definitely what you'd expect. I would think this is more of like a creamier pomade. Obviously, you can see it does look like a face cream or a lotion. It's not as thin, obviously. It won't pour out of the container. But this stuff, it really is good. I mean, not only is your hair... I mean, if you don't even wear cologne, wearing this product in your hair and using their products, you're going to smell like $1 million. You're going to smell like you came out of just a high-end barbershop. People are going to ask you and be like, man, you smell really, or compliment you. This is great product. When I layer these with colognes, and I definitely got to try their cologne because they've really taken pride in creating an amazing product that works well for guys like me who do have, and again, if you don't have fine, thin hair, you can use this if you have big, beautiful, bold, thick hair. I mean, it's just going to make your hair game that much better. So definitely check it out. News Anchor Fiber Pomade. Great stronghold. I mean, when I compare this to other products I've used, this product is this product holds every bit as good as any kind of gel that I've ever used. Better in some cases than some of the other light hold gels that I've used, or even some of the ones I've used, or even like a stronghold. This is way better. Your hair is going to stay where you put it, whether you wear it wet or whether you wear it dry. You're going to get texture. It's going to look great and smell great. As far as price point, guys, I'm sorry to say, right now, this is sold out on their website in the 8-ounce or the 2-ounce travel size. But I know some of you might want to just experiment and try these products first. But if you were to go over to, let's see here. Let's see what they have in stock. Yeah, so if you get this size here. Sorry, I hope you guys didn't hear that. We've been having snow, and so last year they didn't plow the street at all. It was horrible. This year they plowed it nonstop, and there's nothing even on the road, and they're plowing it with nothing on the road, and there's sparks flying. So I don't know. Maybe he's concerned about his hair game. Needs to get some Duke Cannon pomade. All right, so they do have this in stock, the fiber pomade, and they have a non-fiber pomade. I would recommend just getting the fiber pomade. Let's face it, anything you do to make your hair thicker and give it more hold, more substance, I recommend. Price on this is absolutely fantastic. $15 for a huge 4.7 ounce. If you go into the store and try to buy one of the mainstream brands for pomade, you're going to get half the quantity of this for probably, $20-30. So great price points, great product, guys. That's about it. That's all I have to say. Do me a favor, though. If you do want to try it, and whatever size you want to buy, if you do try their products, spend the extra, what is it? $15. It's only $15. Get the Pre-Styler hair tonic. Layer these things together. Use the hair styling tonic on first. Dry your hair. However you style it, wet, dry, whatever you use the styling hair tonic. That's going to give you even more volume, more fullness. Definitely add more texture to your hair. Layer it with this. You will be a happy camper. Trust me. So, all right, guys. Again, Duke Cannon, thanks again for your generosity in sending me these amazing products. I look forward to working with you guys again after I'm done reviewing all this stuff, because there's a lot more products that they have, or that you guys have, that I really want to share with my subscribers. Check it out. If you guys do order, let me know. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. Drop a comment whether you've used this product in the past, or if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm always here to help you guys. If I don't know the answer, I'll get you the answer. And you guys have a wonderful evening, and take care.